So, Erica Pishke, I got out of the shower today, and I thought of you. In a few seconds, ooh, there it goes! Got out of the shower and I had hiccups and I thought of you, and I thought you could appreciate them. I've been driving me nuts for the past 5 minutes. Last time I got the hiccups, I tried doing a video on your wall, but it kept not working, and it's still not working on your wall, so that's why I'm going to put it on YouTube instead. But I can't stop hiccuping right now. Oh! I hope you really appreciate this video. I really hope my hiccups go away. Erica Pishke, I miss you so much. I can't wait to go back to school and you hear these beautiful hiccups and haven't itched my ear and I'm like, this is awful. So hopefully I'm gonna drink something now and then we'll go away. Or hopefully I don't splatter them everywhere. Okay, Erica Pishke, you have a great day. Goodbye.